What's up business buddies, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm gonna explain another sequence when creating your new campaign, which is LinkedIn email for follow-up, meaning that you will engage first on LinkedIn, fall back using emails if they haven't replied, and this sequence is perfect if your audience is quite active on LinkedIn, and these actions that will be applied. You can choose the name of your campaign if you want, it's optional. Next, a plan will show up. We made it easier for you to understand more this template and you can follow the steps in a simple way. Next, you're gonna choose the list of your prospects. You can either add all the prospects or select one of them from the list. Next, an invitation will be sent. Next is the conditional statement. If your prospect accepts your invitation within 5 days, and of course you can specify the delay for this action depending on your choice. If the prospect accepts your invitation within 5 days, the next step will be selecting the delay between the moment your prospect accepts your invitation and your first message. Type in your first message. Now you're gonna choose the delay between the first message and the second message. Type in your second message. Next is the conditional statement. If your prospects replied to your message within 5 days, the next step will be selecting the delay between the moment your prospects reply to your message and your next message. Type in your second message. Then you're gonna select the delay between your last message and your final message. Type in your final message. Move on to the condition if your prospect doesn't reply to your message within 5 days. Then an email will be sent instead. Of course, we need to find his professional email first. Then you're gonna type your email. Select your email account, type your email subject and your message body. Next, you're gonna select the delay between your last message and your final message. Type in your final message, select your email accounts, type your email subjects and your message body. Move on to the condition if the prospect doesn't accept your invitation within 5 days, then an email will be sent instead. We need to find his professional email first. Next, you're gonna type your first email. Select your email account, type your email subject and your message body. Next is the delay between the first email and the second email. Select your email account, type your email subject and your message body. Next is the delay between the second email and the third email. You're gonna select your email account, type your third email subject and your message body. Next is the delay between the third email and your final email. Select your email account, type your final email subject and your message body. And here you go, your campaign is created.